Hello and welcome to DNA's Garage, and today we're going to be working on my KA24DE. And the last thing that happened with this engine is that a bolt snapped in the intake side, the third cap bearing, and as you can see I tried drilling it out, but that obviously didn't work. And in the last video we went to the junker and got a whole new head, and that's going to be pretty awesome. In this video, I'm actually going to be installing Arp head studs. I know in the last video I said that I didn't have the money, but I just went and saved up a little more and was able to buy it. So we're going to be installing this and a brand new head gasket, since this head gasket was obviously compressed down. So let's get on with the video. Alright, so we got the head off, and I was just cleaning everything, making sure that I still got a good surface, and I do. Cleaning up the little pistons because I got a little debris from when I was taking the bolts out. So far everything looks good. Now we're going to move on into installing the RP studs, and then we'll go on from there. Installing the ARP studs are pretty simple. There's two sides, and one side is completely plain, and then this one has an Allen head. That one goes to the top so you can give it a little extra squeeze. So I'm just putting them in position, and I will open the fastener assembly loop so I can put it around the threads. Alright. So the best way to do this is to grab two of them and roll them. So right here we have the old head gasket. It's a little bad, but that shouldn't. It's not much. So the head will probably press it down into place. Ready for the head install. All right. So it turns out that you have to put the washers before you put the head in, since it doesn't give you enough clearance. So I already got the washers in, and I'm just gonna drop the head in. There we go. All nice and settled down. So now I'm gonna put the assembly lube and the nuts, and we're going to talk it to ARP specs. Alright, so the torque specs for these ARP stud kids is 3 equal steps to 70 pounds. So I went ahead and I got everything torqued down and everything looks good, and I went ahead and I started putting in the exhaust cam. Just for now, I just wanted to try it out and make sure that everything fit well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be coming out with more. Next we have the timing change and basically everything else, and putting the whole engine back together, and it should be going in the car very shortly, in a few months. I'm just trying to get done with school so I have more time. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like, subscribe for more amazing content coming up soon. Thank you guys for watching.